The Diploma of Information Technology is a nationally recognized training course that provides a general overview of skills and knowledge for IT roles. Australia carries a skill shortage in information and communication technology, ICT, so job prospects are strong. MEGA's one-year Diploma of IT provides a broader, rather than specialized ICT support function to find the job you're looking for. Employment positions include a wide range of high-level jobs such as networking, IT support, data, programming, and web development. You can upgrade to Bachelor of IT for only 2 more years. This gives you the added flexibility to finish your learning without downtime. Access renowned pathway partners such as highly ranked universities and exclusive private schools Australia-wide. You'll be better positioned to gain employment and invaluable work experience. So learn a smarter way and get in touch today.